Hey, what's up guys? Bodie here from BodieDavison.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Sugar Skull coloring in book completely generated by AI using Blue Willow as a way to make some passive income. Here we are on Amazon.com. We're just going to put in Sugar Skull coloring book. And if we just have a look down the page here at a few different ones, we can see their ranks. This one here is a good one straight away. So you can see it's got 584 reviews. It's in the top 100, ranked at 40,198. Let's have a click through and have a look at it. And click on it again. And as you can see, as you come down, it's just some Sugar Skull coloring in, and it's probably generated by AI as well. And so is this cover. So this is a very common thing that people are doing now. If we have a look at some other ones here, let's have a look at this one here. So as you can see, just for coloring in, this is actually very easy to generate. I'm going to show you guys how to do it for free using Blue Willow today. Alright, if you guys haven't signed up, just go to bluewillow.ai, join the free beta and sign up, and then you'll end up getting directed to the Discord, which looks like this. I've created my own private Discord, so it's just got all of my prompts in it. But if you click on Blue Willow here, you'll end up in a rookie room like this, which just has everyone's prompts in it. Really good for learning how to prompt because you pay attention to what other people are doing. But today, let me show you what our prompt's going to be. So to start it off, we always do the /imagine, which starts your prompt on Blue Willow or on Midjourney. It's all the same. Then what we're going to do is Sugar Skull, coloring book image, vector, monochrome, simple, no background, --AR2:3. And that's going to be our aspect ratio. Now you could change this prompt to be whatever you want. You could just put skull, you could put cartoon dog, you could do whatever you want and create your own coloring book images that easily. So let's just hit enter and it'll say exciting prompt, stay tuned for results. So I have already been playing with this. Here's some of the results here, and you can see they look really, really cool. Definitely exactly what we're looking for, as you guys would agree. If you like any of these, so this one looks cool, for instance. This looks cool as a like a pin-up girl sort of thing. But for what we're doing today, or this here, is probably the style we're looking for. If you like any of these, you can upscale it by pressing number 4 there, or you can get variations of it by pressing V4. So we can easily get lots of good variations of exactly what we're looking for here. So this one here is cool, this one here, you could get variations of these just by pressing V1 or V2. So I'll just show you that. Click on V1 to get variations of this. And as I said, there's our variations. So similar to that, but different. So that's how you do that, very easy. Now, just for this video, I'll show you this as well. If we just put in the prompt and just paste what we started with, and let's say we change it to cartoon puppy, just to show you guys how that will come out as well. So there's our first result. Let's go this one again. So this will redo it. So this was our first one, looks really good. I've done another one. This is our second one. I really like this one on the bottom left here. And then this is our third one. So we can just keep refreshing it and getting more results, but I just want to show you guys that everything comes down to the prompting. So getting good at prompting will get you really good results. Okay, so let's say that we're happy with one of our images here. We might just do an upscale version of number 2. Okay, there it is there, and we'll click on it and just open it in the browser to have a look. Looks really good. We'll save that image. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is go to a website like Pixelcut. So if you just go pixelcut.ai in Google, you'll find it. I'll put a link to it down below though. and this has a free upscaler, and we just upload our photo here. Or another one I've got for you, which is currently free, is vectorizer.ai. I'll put links to both of them down below, but these are unbelievably free and amazing for upscaling your AI images off Blue Willow, Midjourney, etc. So let's just use Pixelcut today so I can show you. So we've got the skull down here. We'll just upload the photo. Alright, and then we'll just go download. Then we'll just go back. So our fresh one's down here to the left. And then the one that's been upscaled, we'll do it again and download again. Now, as you zoom in on this, I should have showed you before actually. So if we look at this one before and we zoom in on it, you can see all of this here. It's not the best. Now, when you've upscaled something and zoom in on this one, check out the difference. The lines, everything is perfect because it's been completely upscaled. So it's going to be way better for using in our coloring in books or anything else. If you're doing print on demand, whatever it is, you always want to upscale your AI images in these free upscalers. So again, this one's called Pixelcut. The other one's called Vectorizer, and they're both awesome and free. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is come over to canva.com, just using the free one here. Everything I'm using here is free, so this is all free. Unbelievable that it's free, but it is. We're going to create a custom size design, so just over here, top right. And we're going to go 8.5 times 11. Alright, so then what we're going to do is upload our pictures. Then we just add a page. So click add a page, drag the second one on there, click add a page, and the third one, and so on. And just drag it out so it fits the page nicely. Just like that. So there you have it. There's 3 of them uploaded that easily. Looks great. Very similar to what we saw on Amazon. Actually looks better than these ones if you ask me. Now this one here does have a bit of a background. If you have Canva Pro, you can just remove that background. Or if it was a problem for you, you can use a background remover like remove.bg. Again, this is another free tool. So let's say it was this one. I can't remember which one it was. I think it was that one. And there we go. Background is removed. A lot of people have Canva Pro these days, so if you do, then obviously you just click a button and remove your background that way. Now, just looking at this top one that we definitely done the upscaling on twice, if we zoom in, you can see no glitching, no problem, looks absolutely amazing, will be perfect for our coloring in book. So that is it, guys, how to make your own AI generated content for your coloring in book, which you can sell on Amazon. Pretty simple, just takes some effort from you, but yeah, you could do it with anything like I was saying back here. Look at this one here, this looks cool, this puppy, I really like it, so let's just upscale that. Show you guys. You could make a comic book of puppies as well, so amazing quality. Blue Willow AI, unbelievable that it's actually free, so definitely sign up and get amongst it. I have other videos on Blue Willow in case you're wondering how to use the Discord and get the most out of it. If you guys enjoyed the content, please give it a like. Please comment down below any questions or comments you have. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.